Welcome. Today is a very different session where I'm going to share with you a technique I've been using last 20 plus years that only takes 5 minutes of your time but leaves you with 24 hours of being peaceful mentally, physically and emotionally. You start your day with this and your entire day cruises along no matter what comes your way. You end your day with this and your night, despite however short it is so peaceful, so rejuvenating that you wake up even fresher the next morning and then the cycle repeats itself. May I request you to just find 5 minutes now where you cannot be bothered. If you want to pause this podcast and go find that corner or room where you cannot be bothered for next 5 minutes, please do that. Wear something comfortable. It doesn't have to be anything extraordinary, but something comfortable. You can choose to sit on the ground. You can choose to sit on a mattress or sofa, any place you like, whatever is comfortable. Doesn't matter what time of day it is. It's just that you're willing to try something new, hoping that something amazing is going to come out of it for your next 5 minutes of investment. Now, if you found that place, just sit back, relax, open your palms, keep it on your lap or on chair, on table. Just keep your both palms open, palms facing up, fingers normally spread, not stretched, no postures, just fingers open in a receiving position, your palms facing upwards in a receiving position. Close your eyes. Now, as you close your eyes, your mind does not shut down. The thoughts are still floating at 100 miles per hour. There's only one break. The break comes from inside. And the secret tip, I'm giving it to you. Tell every thought, I forgive. Tell that particular thought. Say an X thought about what you need to do an hour later pops up right now. Tell that thought, I forgive. It's a magic trick by which that thought will go away. It will not come back and bother you, leaving a vacuum. That vacuum is mental stillness, is peace. As you do that, to number of thoughts that ride simultaneously, you will see almost all your thoughts fade away and you're left with just complete attention on your palm. I'll explain all the rhymes and reason later. Now just focus on the experiment here. So with your eyes closed, your attention on your palms, preferably on the center of your palms. Any thought that you're getting into your mind, tell that thought, I forgive. Keep saying that until all thoughts disappear. Only two things are happening. You're listening to this beautiful instrumental music I have playing in the background, and your attention is on your palms. And here, you're trying to experience what you are feeling on your palms. Are either of your palm or both of your palm warm or cool? There's a reason, there's a meaning for that. I'll explain later what it means if they're warm, either one of them, what it means if they're cool, what is going on inside you. I'll explain later. What do you feel on your fingertips? Every single fingertip, center of your palm and wrist area, these 7 areas on your left palm or left hand, and 7 areas, 7 points on your right hand. These are nothing but the seven plexuses, seven energy centers, or seven chakras inside us. If any one of them tingles, if any fingertip, center of your palm, or wrist area tingles, you feel a pinch, it means there's something going on with that chakra. I'll explain later. And that might have a physical or a mental manifestation, good or bad. I'll explain that later. But let's just focus on the diagnosis now and what this diagnosis leads to, which is mental peace. Close your eyes, attention on your palms, experience your palm, experience your fingertips, wrist and center of your palm area. Every fingertip check one at a time. Listen to this beautiful music for next 2-3 minutes and keep telling your thought, every thought, I forgive. Wow, I can wish if I can be like this entire day, but I only asked for 5 minutes of your precious time, so I'm going to give it back to you. Now, I hope you are feeling better now, even if 5%. But I caught you like without a warning. I didn't tell you what's coming. I hope you enjoyed this very short, brief, but very powerful meditation. Very simple. I'll just repeat the steps. Find any music that you like, any music, any instrumental music. Try not vocal because vocals, will distract you. Instrumental music can play at the background, just something calming, just something soothing, whatever your choice is. Miss, I like Suntour. This is a album called Love Blooms, Feelings One by Shiv Kumar Sharma. He's a great santur player. You can look him up on YouTube Music. That's where I find him. Or any music of your choice. Open your palms, find a peaceful corner, take your attention on your palms. But the trick is, none of this will work if your thoughts are still flowing in your mind. So, to calm your thoughts, there's only one magic word. Tell every thought, I forgive, I forgive. And you can literally do this at any time of the day, but it works best when you start your day or when you're ending your day for the likely results, as I explained earlier. Or even if you find 5 minutes during the course of a crazy day, you don't need to get music, right? Just find a quiet corner, just in cafeteria or someplace outside the office, or wherever you could find peace. Close your eyes, open your palms, take your attention on the center of your palm, feel your palm and fingertips, tell your thoughts, I forgive, I forgive. Stay there for 5 minutes. You'll be so rejuvenated that nothing else can relax you that much. Try this. Give me your comments on whichever platform you're listening this. Tell me what you liked, what you did not like, and also mention in your comments which fingertips you found tingling for yourself the time you listened today. And I hope you repeat this at your later times also when you're better placed. But keep doing this at least once a day. I'll come back with more. Have a great, blessed day.